Hello everyone, my name is Dave. In this tutorial, we'll be teaching you how to add images to your site. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is go to any random folder in your file, any random folder, and grab an image. So I am here. I'll grab this image. Right click and copy. I've copied this image. Then go to your website folder. Our folder is in my site, and I dump it in images. After all, it can work anywhere, but since we want to keep things organized, we'll dump it here. And let's rename it to something cool we can remember. We can just say green.jpg. Alright, and that's it in images. You can dump it anywhere. After all, we did this one here, so I put mine in images just to keep things organized. Alright, so we want this image to appear on our index.html. So we'll go to our code, locate index.html, find the position we want the image to appear, and put an img. And remember, it closes itself. Image tags close themselves. So we have to put an attribute to say, hey, the image we are talking about is here. Control S. The image we're talking about is here. So what we'll do is we'll link it the way we linked these files. This image is in a folder we call images. Then inside that images, it's called green.jpg. So we have it sorted out. So we'll go check at save and go and check, refresh. Cool. This is my latest code. The answer to most whys in life is why not. Alright, but then we don't like the size. Maybe we want the size to be smaller. This is the original size of the image, but then we don't like it. We want it to be smaller. We'll add an extra attribute. The attribute we'll add will be width. What width will we want? Let's say 100. Then height, let's say 100 to square. We need a square but smaller. But first of all, let me remove the height and show you what the width does. Only width, 100 by 100. So one thing you need to know is that your browser is intelligent. If you reduce only the width, it will cater for the height too. Except you want the height to be separate. Maybe we want something like 150. That's when we indicate height. You understand? So if you put only width, the browser will intelligently recalculate depending on what you want. That's right. We can do some crazy styles. I'll be using the opportunity to be teaching you some styles. What if we want the border to be 2 pixels, solid, and the color should be pure red. So added a style to do a crazy thing. We just put a red border around it. So remember, I told you you will learn this. Everything that comes into style is another tutorial on its own. It's CSS. So when we finish HTML, we'll get to CSS. You will know what to do at any point in time. But always remember to Google. Alright, we have added images. In the next tutorial, we'll be doing other interesting stuff. Alright, but before then, what if you wanted the image to be clickable? We want the image to take us to contact us page. What you just do is wrap it inside the a tag, which is more contact_us.html, and that's it. We have it here. Then you close this. I do hope you're seeing this. So we simply wrapped it inside a link. Remember, the spaces I'm giving doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you write everything on one line, it will still behave the way it should behave. Then I want to create a new line here. So because when someone clicks the image, it will take us to contact us page, and then let's go test. I've saved. So you save, refresh, Ctrl R, then if I click, bang, it takes us to this new page. So very interesting and it's a lot of fun. Alright, see you in the next tutorial where we'll do some more interesting stuff.